Hi, this is Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and in this video we're going to be tapping on vibrant health energy. So if you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's like tapping, it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And the invitation is to simply do what I do and say what I say, and if you don't like what I do, then simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So let's get going. Even though my health isn't as I'd like it to be right now, I acknowledge how I feel about this. Even though I'm experiencing some anxiety and worry about my health, and if this isn't true, share how you are feeling about your health. I choose to accept myself just as I am. Even though I really wish I was feeling healthier than I do right now. Maybe I could start to accept my body just as it is. I'm acknowledging my health just as it is right now. It may not be the way I want it to be, but I'm acknowledging the parts of my body that are working well. And I really want to feel healthier than I do right now. And I'm open to the possibility of knowing and trusting that this is possible. I'm acknowledging the worry that I have about my health. And how it doesn't help my mind or my body. So I'm noticing my feet on the floor. And I'm noticing my breath just as it is. And I'm coming back to the present moment. I wonder if it's possible to experience vibrant health with my body just as it is. So I'm open to the possibility of acknowledging the parts of my body that are vibrantly healthy right now, even if it's just your little toe or even one hair on your head. So I'm open to the possibility of radiating vibrant health energy into the rest of my body, into every cell and atom and molecule of my whole entire being, creating more ease in my body, creating more healing energy in my body, creating more resilience in my body, and creating an abundance of vibrant health in mind, body, and spirit. Transform.